So my project is on the Florida Everglades and how that has that has changed lately, and also about the KOE system. Well, the KOE system, well, in the Everglades, there was a 3 mile canal, and 3 mile wide canal, and we changed that because of erosion, and we made it into a straight canal. But that just we were just trying to make things better, and that just turned around and bit us in the ass. Um, I don't think a lot of people have learned this, but we cannot overstep our boundaries. We can't mess with the environment like we're doing right now, because in the future the world's gonna end because of all the pollution and all of the terrible, terrible things that we're doing to the environment. Um, Not only are we destroying the planet, but we're also destroying um, endangered species such as the Florida panther, Florida manatee, and the Florida alligator, which those are the three animals I'm focusing on that are endangered in the Florida Everglades. Um, and those animals are endangered because of climate change, because of overbuilding, and also invasive species. Um, when I started taking this class, I had no idea about all the pollution that we're creating and how much we're destroying the planet. And that just, it made me step up, and it made me want to help and make a change. So I've recycled more. I've um, I've I've oh my god, I can't think of the word. Whenever I go on the boat, I always pick up trash, especially on the roads. On the side of the road, so many people throw trash away, and it's ridiculous. Um, Sometimes I even separate my neighbor's trash because I ask them beforehand if I can, and they're like, yeah, sure. So I do that too as well, and they also give me community service hours, so it's a win-win there. But it just made me want to help the planet more, and it made me want to like actually have the planet last maybe 100 years. I mean, I'm not going to be alive, but just to those who like need to be educated, we need to educate people on, like, younger people, our younger generation, on how important it is to maintain the Everglades and to maintain the food chain, and not pollute, and how much how many problems are being caused, such as like factories and and companies that are dumping chemicals into the canals that eventually kill fish, and also could probably kill us if we consume the fish that have eaten, I mean, have digested the chemicals that are in the canal. Um, Also, people really don't care about the environment like they should, and especially the KOE system, which controls floods and other recreational things. Um, Everything we do, it plays a role in the environment, and we need to start taking responsibility on the things that we do and make a change. Because eventually, like I said before, it'll all come back and bite us in the ass. Um, the main thing and the conclusion of my presentation is that, like I said earlier, we need to educate more people, and 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 have them learn and see the effects that could happen if we don't educate them and if we don't make a change, because eventually the world is just gonna explode because of pollution, and that destroying the ozone layer, and it's just all gonna bite us in the ass again. That's my presentation.